I'm Angel. I'm with Behringer and Music Tribe at InfoComm 2026. I wanted to show you the channel, the processing channel of the Wing console. So each channel has your overview screen and then an input slot where you can have two separate inputs, a main and an alternate input, which you can swap with a single button. In the case if you're doing a virtual sound check or want to switch to a backup mic, you can do it really quickly there. You got filters with different curves, all pass filters, maxers, and different slopes for low cuts and high cuts. And then you've got two dynamic processing slots and one EQ. And what I like here is that you can swap each slot with different analog emulations, so you don't have to spend your insert points for that. And you can also rearrange the order. So if you wanted to have the gate first and the EQ later, or you want to have the compressor first, you can do that as well. You got 4 different mains, stereo mains, 16 stereo buses, and 8 stereo matrices. Come see us.